Hey guys, welcome back. We're here in Excel again, and now we're going to be learning about data types. So what are data types? Well, data types is the type of data that you're using. So that could be just a regular number, that could be a percentage, that could be currency, that could be a date. And we can find all of our data types in the number group. First, starting with the bottom row here. So this first icon here, if you click the drop down, we will actually never use this. The English version stands for the accounting version, which we won't use. And notice it says more accounting formats. So we actually will never use that icon. The next one is percentages. The next one is just adding commas. So if these are not currency, which they're not, I would highlight all the numbers at once, and then using the comma key, I would add the commas. Never type the commas. It will skew the data. It will confuse Excel. Now notice it puts decimal places, and we don't need the decimal places here. So to the right of that, you'll see the increase and decrease decimal places. And so as I click on that twice, you can see how that removes those two numbers. Notice all the numbers are right aligned as well in the cell. Now, some other data types, if you come up to the drop down, again, you've got a currency data type. If I ever have any type of money on there, you should be using currency and only show decimals if we're actually using the decimal place. Accounting, we will never use, but notice that it left aligns the dollar sign. You've got short date, long date, all different types of things. But again, if we go down to more number formats, you will get more options here. And so, for example, if we were to click on number, if you want your negative numbers to come up in red, then you could choose one of these options. Notice, that you could come down to time, and you could choose different ways to display time or different ways to display the date. So if you don't have the exact thing you're looking for, you can come right in here and you can find that. And so I don't want this in currency anymore. I want it in number with a comma and 0 decimal places. Notice the sample there. So I'm going to say okay, and that sets me back up where I want to be. So that is data types.